So how to add your passcode in your new iPhone 15 Pro. So I have no passcode right now, so I want to set up it. Go to your setting and scroll down and press on Face ID and passcode. And from here, scroll down again, and then you can see turn passcode on. You have to select turn passcode on, and you need to put your password that you want to set. Suppose I want to set username and set your passcode again to verify it. So it's not Apple ID, so I am now skipping this option. Let's check it's working or not. So it's not passcode. So this is how you can easily set password or passcode on your new iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max. Hope you enjoy. Thumbs up and have a good day.